What's up, good people? Welcome again to this channel. Look at how bright today is. The sun is shining from there, and we've gotten this opportunity to take you around as we do our morning routines. Anyway, almost every time, every day. At this particular time, we usually have a morning walk because this is the time the sun is so sweet. Because any other time you find that the sun is too hot for us. So once again, welcome to our channel. Please subscribe if you have not. And to returning subscribers, I want to say thank you for always coming to watch these videos. So welcome. We walk around as we see what this neighborhood has for us. For those who are meeting this channel for the first time, this is Mkenya, UK, and I do my videos from London. I show you around. I just document my life. Whatever I do, I document. I show you around. Yeah, for instance, you can see the sunny morning. Yeah, you can see how beautiful the sky is. Yeah, so I thought it's good for me. We can have a walk this morning, and as we enjoy life. I can simply say that look at those small wheelchairs. They are there. Yeah, so I can just say that life is good. Look at this tree. The tree is green. I want to show you around here. Yeah. So there's a river here. You can see one thing I love about UK. There's a lot of organization, a very nice organization in terms of development, in terms of how roads are constructed. It is not just anyhow. Yeah, so you can see I just want to close the other side. Of course, you can see the road is clear. The road is clear. So this is how parking is done, guys. I know there are those who are wondering, why are those cars parked just there on the roadside? Here in UK, it is very normal to see cars parked like this. Yeah, all over, you see. If, of course, I'm going to walk around here, you will see cars parked just on the roadside. But there are rules where you should park, where you should not park. Yeah, but it is very normal for you to see cars parked just like this. Yeah. So let's have a walk here. I will just try to explain what I can. You can see this is the neighborhood. There's a church in front of us here. A very old church, which is around 800 and something years. Yeah, you can see those government buildings there for the citizens of UK. Yeah, a lot of good things. A lot of good things for you to see here. A lot of good things for you to enjoy. Yeah, so this is the church I'm talking about. It's a very old church which is more than 500 years. Yeah. It is called St. Mary's Church. So there's a very sharp corner here. cross to this other side so that it is easy for me to show you. Yeah, so let's walk around here. Look at these flowers. This is the flowering season. All the trees you see here, they have flowers. Yeah, I think the sun is behind me, so it might not be clear. And guys, maybe there's something which I used to worry about. If you can get a farm where you can just do your farming and all those. Yeah, I was told that you can get something which is called allotments. But when I was checking here, I was told it has been booked for the next, I don't know how many weeks. And when I went to see where those farms are, they are just there. They are not being used. Yeah, they are not used, so they are not working, but they have been booked for a very long period of time. So we're gonna have a walk here, just on this highway, without specific aim. We don't have specific areas we are saying that we want to visit this area. No, we just want to have a random walk. Yeah, for the next few hours before we just call it a day. So there are those who love seeing this. You know, long time ago, I used to see this on television, on books. Yeah, but right now, I'm part and parcel of this. So I said, let me make history by documenting this. Honestly, I don't regret this opportunity of coming to UK to live here. And I know after some years, I have to go back home and relax, because there is a lot here which people don't understand. Until the time you come to UK or wherever in Europe, that is the time you understand that Africa is blessed. Africa is blessed, right from the weather, food, everything, culture. Culture is very different, and if you are not used to it, you'll find yourself in great dilemma, and you start crying and saying, "Oh, I wish I knew." But for me, I'm not crying. I'm just saying that this is the time I need to work hard and enjoy life before it is due. Before it's due, you go back to our motherland. You know, Africa is called the motherland. Yeah. And for those who are living here, you can confirm what I'm saying. That after some time, you really feel that you should go back home. But one problem we have in Africa is there is no work, there is no money. Yeah, despite of all the things which you can say that we enjoy, you can't live comfortably if you don't have money, if you don't have work. So for many of us, I just wanted to jump to the other side. I think it is clear. Yeah. For many of us who we say that we love Africa, you love Africa and there's nothing you eat. So many people just come to Europe. Look at this small garden here with pigeons, and there's one friend of mine who is called Marwa. Hey, Manny, my son has slept. I don't know what I should do. I think I should go back home. Because he's sleeping. I don't know why he has slept so early. Let me post this. So my son slept too early. And I have to cut this walk short. So I've just decided to go back home. Because I cannot just walk around where he's sleeping. This is this pushchair. So let me rush back home, and maybe we'll continue with this video later, or we'll just upload it the way it is. Meanwhile, I want to say thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you. Welcome back. Guys, do you remember yesterday we were going out with Imani and they slept? We went back home. Today is another day. We want to finish this video. So hope you have been fine. See, we are from out. We are full here. Full house in the house. So I thought it's good for me to finish this video today, because I told you that maybe I will finish it later, and that later is today. So I hope you have been fine. I hope you are enjoying this warm climate. Look at the sky. That is the sun. Wow. How do you call those type of clouds? Used to learn in primary school. I know. Yeah, so guys, let's walk as we finish this video. Please watch to the end and subscribe to the channel as we go. So the time right now is 11:30 a.m. So let's give this person nafasi ya kupita. So you can see people in light dressing. Look. People are in shorts. Yeah, because the weather is good. And at least you can see many people outside. Unlike the other days when you could not see any person outside because the weather was not good. Hey, the music here. That is the car with the music. Don't give me copyright, because I know once I was demonetized. Yeah. So once again, I want to welcome you to our channel. Please subscribe. Hey, this one is long. It's 8. We have a train here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
There are 8, eh? Yeah. So look at the grass, guys. The grass is grassing. Everything looks nice. And even us. There's us there. Boom. We are looking good. And one thing you know, right now people are going to Chessington World of Adventures. That's why you're seeing many people from the train. So for those who don't know Chessington World of Adventures, you go, you just see safaris, African safaris, gorillas, chimpanzees. See?
The kings.
Oh.
The king of the sea monkeys. I don't know how they
The
call
king
that.
of the sea.
Looks like
dolphin, yeah. They are trained well. You see a lot.
They showcase
You
their.
see the giraffe,
Yeah, we show giraffes.
buffaloes,
No?
ostrich. It was my first time seeing ostrich. I can't even say that, even if I'm from Africa, and you know Africa. That's
In
where we
Tanzania,
have a lot of
there
ostriches.
are domesticated and lions. You go touch them, feed them.
Lions.
Mm.
I saw in
Video?
in Dubai when the Goliath, the Gen Z
Daddy,
Goliath was playing with a
Daddy.
lion.
Yes, Daddy.
The man is
Eating
singing.
sugar. No, Daddy.
So
I
this
sugar.
is the transformation, guys. You can see all these changes. Some time back, you could not see all this greenery, but right now,
Baby.
flowers, shoo, they look good, eh?
This is a medication.
I'm not sure, no, but we used to make,
Juice.
no, not juice. We used to make something. We fanya do.
Like Barut.
Yeah, something like that.
Really?
Yeah. And we used to use the,
I'm tired. I'm official. Tired.
so when somebody is tired, I want to wind up this video at this point. Or maybe she can continue.
No,
Take,
really.
take the camera.
No. I'm tired. Very tired.
Look at her. Anyway, guys,
The most.
thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe and give this video a like. Bye bye. See you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.